Hi everyone, I'm here to show you the different things that I did this semester, and I just want to start off by saying that I learned so much in this class. I had obviously heard of the different programs, and I dipped my toes in a little bit, but was the first experience of me actually doing lots of things in the different software. So I'm going to start off with the Illustrator, and this is my vector image, and it's my dog right outside, right after her bath time, and just the vector made her fur so much more dramatic, and it I just loved how that turned out. And the second one I was going to show you is my logo. I did the Dutch Bros logo, and it was so cool to me to just see how other shapes, how one icon is made up of so many shapes, and it actually was pretty easy to make once you kind of dissect the different shapes. The third is the yin yang. I just loved how satisfying the whole thing was to combine different objects, and then for the first time I had done something like that, and I just loved how it turned out. In the Photoshop, you'll see a theme. Most of them are my dogs because I don't have kids. I have a dog, and she's full-time job for me. But the back picture is her in her birthday hat, and then I found this picture online, and I just wanted it to look like she was in the clouds, and so I was able to get pretty good with that. And then the next one is pretty much for my entertainment, but I got to use the multiplier tool, and I made so many of her, and it's actually quite a nightmare, actually, if you think about it, because my dog is crazy, and so imagining more than one of her is crazy, but brought me and my family a lot of enjoyment to see that. And then the other thing that I was going to show is this, and to be completely honest, I don't remember if it was this class or another class that I'm taking right now that's super similar to this, but I made a cover photo for my Facebook page that goes with my blog, and so making this was also lots of fun. And then I'll show you my magazine, another theme here, my dog again. She gets into so many things, and I can't even begin to tell you what she gets herself into, but so I wanted to make the cover like a wanted segment or wanted poster, so I called it wanted, and then I gave the description. And then one of my interactive things is a video, and it's of her running, and and then I made this picture right here by just putting her picture on one of those backdrops of mug shots to see how tall you are. And then I put different aliases, I guess, to go along with the theme, and I put her in the different outfits that I put her in, which she absolutely hates, but I love. And it was so much fun to just look at the pictures that I've taken and kind of sorting them into what could go where in a magazine. And then my page that I wrote things on is when something that she did get herself into, and she actually almost died, but I'm sure you can go through the discussion board and find the magazine cover. But basically she got into something, it got stuck in her bowel, and she would have died if I wouldn't have brought her in, and it just went along perfectly, I guess. And then for my like subscription page, I guess you could say, I did signing up for the blog that I have made for another class, and again, it went so well with my magazine theme, and it just all worked out great, I guess. But I learned so much, and I can definitely see myself using these in um, marketing when I do graduate in May. It's just a tool that I had really been hoping to learn, and I can tell you that I've learned so much, and I loved this class.